In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Salesforce CLI on a Windows computer. If you're venturing into the world of Salesforce development, getting familiar with the command line interface, or CLI, is vital. It's a tool that helps streamline various tasks by allowing you to execute commands directly from your command line, making the process efficient and often quicker. So let's dive right in and set it up on your Windows system. First, open up your preferred web browser. It could be Google Chrome, Firefox, or any other browser that you're comfortable with. In the search bar, simply type Salesforce CLI and hit enter. This will display a list of results related to the CLI tool we are interested in. Although the official Salesforce documentation might appear in the search results, we will focus on getting directly to the CLI page. Move on to the next step by clicking on the relevant link to the Salesforce CLI. You'll likely find a link leading to the Salesforce Developers Official Tools page. This is where you want to be to download the tool, as going directly through the official channels ensures you are getting the latest and most secure version of the CLI. Once you're on the Salesforce CLI page, look for the option to download the installer for your Windows operating system. You'll see an option that says Download for Windows x64. Click that link to start downloading the installer package. As the file downloads to your computer, this could be a great time to grab a cup of coffee or take a short break. Now, some of you might wonder, what exactly is Salesforce CLI and why do I need it? Well, as you watch me set it up, let me briefly explain. Salesforce CLI is an essential tool for Salesforce developers, offering functionality to manage orgs, synchronize source code, and execute tests. It allows you to perform various actions on your Salesforce environment quickly and efficiently, making your development and deployment processes a smoother experience. Returning to our download, once it completes, navigate to your Downloads folder or wherever you have chosen to save the installer package. Double-click on the downloaded file to begin the installation process. The installation wizard will guide you through the setup with user-friendly prompts. Just follow the instructions on screen and in no time, you'll have Salesforce CLI installed and ready for use on your system. That's all for installing Salesforce CLI. I hope you found this tutorial useful and easy to follow. With your CLI now set up, you're equipped to tackle Salesforce development tasks like a pro. Thanks for watching, and be sure to explore our other tutorials for more tips and tricks in the world of Salesforce. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to leave a comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content.